To keep Europe competitive and achieve our sustainability goals, we need to maximize resource efficiency. This essentially means putting the materials contained in our waste back into productive use and replacing virgin materials with recycled ones, forming a closed loop, the basis of a circular economy. To make it feasible, industry must be innovative on several fronts: technological, financial, social, and organizational. Many people don't know that machine tools are at the starting point of almost every manufacturing activity. Our sector has a hand in most manufactured products. For instance, 83% of a machine tool is already today composed of easily recyclable materials. But we should all know that the circular economy goes beyond the recycling of materials. An important element is the long life, reuse and remanufacturing of products, with the aim of keeping them in the economy for as long as possible.